Next, cost object. Cost object is anything for which management want to collect or accumulate cost. It may be in the form of cost center and cost unit. So what is cost units? While preparing cost accounts, it becomes necessary to select a unit with which expenditure may be identified. Okay. The quantity upon which cost can be conveniently allocated is known as a unit of cost or cost unit. Okay. Example, per person, per piece, per kilogram. Okay. This is cost unit. So what is cost unit? It is the unit in which the cost is expressed and ascertained. There are two types of cost unit. First one, simple cost unit and a composite cost unit. A simple cost unit measures just one characteristics such as length or volume or weight. Examples of simple cost unit are per ton, per kilogram, per thousand, etc. But composite cost unit, the composite cost unit is a combination of two simple cost unit. Examples are patient day, ton kilometer, passenger kilometer, etc. Okay, here the difference is simple cost unit measure only one characteristic, just one characteristics of a particular. Okay, but composite cost unit is a combination of two simple cost unit. Is a combination of two simple cost unit. Example, 10 kilometer. 10 is a simple cost unit and kilometer is another simple cost unit. Okay, the combination of this unit is a composite cost unit. Passenger kilometer. Passenger is a simple cost unit and kilometer is another cost unit. It is a combination passenger kilometer. Patient day. Patient is a cost unit and day is another cost unit. It is a combination, that is composite cost unit. Okay, we can check some examples of cost unit. Here the industry and here the cost unit. Okay, first one, cement. Cement we will measure in per ton or per bag. 10 bag cement. Okay, 10 ton cement, etc. Sugar, per ton, 5 ton sugar or bag. Okay, television and radio we will measure in per set, like 3 set radio, 4 set television. Like paint, per liter or gallon. Okay, chemical, per liter, gallon, kilogram, ton chemicals. Automobiles, numbers, 3 car, 4 bike, like automobiles number. Mines, per ton. Timber, per cubic foot. Okay, this is the some example for some product and cost unit. What is cost center? Okay, for the costing of product or service, an organization may be divided into department or branches or section. So each department or branch or section is known as cost center. Okay, cost center means a section or department of a business to which cost can be charged. It does not make profit directly, but it make costs. Okay, cost center is a function within an organization that does not directly add to profit but still costs money to operate. Okay, such as the accounting department, HR department or IT department. Okay, this is cost center. We can know accounting department does not create any profit. Okay, but it helps to make profit. Okay, it is essential to an organization. Okay, and HR department, there are so many costs incurred in those department, like wages, salaries and bonus and human employee related expenses are coming in this department, HR department and IT department. Okay, these are the department which does not create any profit directly, but it charge cost. Okay, this department or section is known as cost center. Next, the main use of cost center is to track actual expenses for comparison to budget. Okay, A cost center is indirectly contribute to company's profit via operate excellence, customer service, and enhanced product value. Okay, cost center is very essential to a firm because it indirectly contribute to an organization. For example, accounting department is very essential to an organization. Then only there will be an efficient. Okay, likewise HR department, it create value to a business. Okay, so this cost center is very essential to create value. Okay, it indirectly contribute company's profit. Okay. Um, the manager for a cost center is only responsible for keeping costs in line with budget and does not bear any responsibility regarding revenue or investment decision. Okay, the manager of a cost center is only responsible for keeping costs in line with budget. Okay, that is the main task of a manager. Okay, controlling the cost. Okay, there are different types of cost center. First one, operation cost center. Operation cost center consists of those machines and or person carrying out similar operation. For example, for running a machine, there are different kinds of costs are incurred, like fuels and labor cost. There are different types of cost involved to work a machine. Okay, that costs are accumulated. Okay, that is operation cost center. Next, process cost center. Process cost center is a cost center in which a specific process or a continuous process of operation is carried out. Okay, for example, for producing a particular product, sometime it may be going to different process. Okay, so the cost center, each and every process is a cost center. Okay, cost will be accumulated based on each process. That is process cost center. Production cost center. Production cost center is one which is engaged on a regular production. For example, a company producing a mobile phone. Mobile phone is a cost center. Okay, how much that particular production center involve cost for producing mobile phone day by day. Okay, production cost center. Service cost center. Service cost center is one which is engaged in rendering service to production cost center. Okay, there are different supporting department or service department will be there in an organization to give support, to give aids to production cost center. Okay, that service department will always involved so many cost, so that service department may make some cost center. Next, personal cost center. Personal cost center consists of a person, a group of person. For example, department foreman, salesman, supervisors, factory manager. Okay, the salary of a departmental foreman and other expenses. Okay, salesman, supervisors, factory manager involved so many costs. Okay, so that is a personal cost center. Next, impersonal cost center. An impersonal cost center consists of a location or item of equipment, a group of these. For example, machine, department, vehicle, etc. is a example for impersonal cost center. Okay. Next, difference between cost center and cost unit. Cost center is a segment of an organization for which costs are accumulated, but cost unit is a unit of measurement of cost. Second one, the concept of cost center is used for accumulation and controlled cost, but cost unit, the concept of cost unit is used to ascertain cost. Third one, different cost center may be involved in production of a product. Cost unit, a product will have only one cost unit. Cost center are created for assisting the management in the function of budgeting and controlling. Cost unit are department not for budgeting and controlling. Fifth one, formulation of cost center depends upon the nature and technique of production process, size of the organization and structure of the organization. Cost unit, the determination of cost unit depends upon the nature of the final product and prevailing trade practices. Okay, this is the difference between cost center and cost unit. Next, what is profit center? We have discussed what is cost center. Cost center is a department, division or a section to which cost can be charged. Likewise, what is profit center? Profit center is a department, section or division which generate profit to an organization. Okay, profit center is a branch or division of a company that directly adds to the corporation's bottom line profitability. Okay, a profit center is treated as a separate business unit with revenues accounted for one stand-alone basis. Example, in Walmart, we know what is Walmart is a retail shop, bigger retail shop. In Walmart, different departments selling different product could be divided into profit center for analysis. For example, there may be a clothing department. That clothing could be considered as one profit center because that clothing department sell clothing related product and making profit. Okay, another department may be home goods department. Home goods could be a second profit center. Okay, in that department home goods are selling and making revenue. Okay, another department may be food court. Okay, food court could be another profit center because in that department food related product are selling, okay, and making revenue. Okay, in addition, there may be accounting department, HR department. That department not generate any profit. That department to that department charge cost only. So that cost center, accounting department and HR department are cost center, and clothing department, food court department, home goods department, okay, they are selling a product to directly to customers and generate profit. So that is a profit center, that are profit center. Next, difference between cost center and profit center. Cost centers are created to ascertain cost and control. Profit centers are created to delegate authority and fix responsibility to individual to measure performance. Okay, cost centers are large in numbers. Second, profit centers are less in numbers. Okay, third one, cost centers covers only cost. Profit centers covers both cost as well as revenue. Cost center do not have target cost. Profit centers have a target profit. Cost centers are not autonomous. Profit centers are autonomous. These are the difference between cost center and profit center. Next, investment center. Investment center is a responsibility center in which manager is held responsible for the proper utilization of assets. Okay, in investment center it may be a department. In that department, large volume of assets will be there. The responsibility of manager is use that assets in an effective manner to make profit. Okay, investment center is a business unit in a firm that can utilize capital to contribute directly to company's profitability. Okay, generally investment center, it may be a department. That department generally created by bigger organization like Reliance Capital is an investment center. What is the duty of that department? They will invest their asset in either external to an organization or internal to organization to make profit. Okay, likewise, so many bigger organization will develop an investment center to invest that assets in proper way. Okay, that is investment center. Okay.